Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Jessica Louie and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm taking a quick minute to introduce myself here so you can get to know me a little better. The reason why I wake up each morning is because I love helping people find confidence to live joyful and intentional lives because we all have meaningful contributions to make to this world. I do this through coaching burned out pharmacists and healthcare professionals how to simplify their lives so they can enjoy making memories with their family more often. I also do this through the Burnout Doctor method I've created, the Burnout Doctor podcast you can listen to as well, and going through the Burnout Doctor method in a 3-step process to really reset your life. This process includes clarifying why you get up each morning, living your values and your purpose with intention, simplifying your life, not only the physical clutter we use talking about the KonMari method. I'm a master level certified KonMari consultant. We also address the mental, emotional, and spiritual clutter in your life to better enjoy your time and take ownership of your time and calendar. And we talk about alignment. How does work align into your life and not the other way around? Because our life does not revolve around our work. And it is a lie to think about work-life balance. It's about alignment and integration. So thank you for joining me on this journey of how to let go and break free from people-pleasing, perfectionism, and thrive in your life on your own terms. I'm also a board-certified critical care pharmacist and associate professor in Los Angeles, and I love keynote speaking engagements, working with you one-on-one in coaching environments, and low-cost resources below for your starter kits and workshops to take action in your own life. I'm Chinese American. I live in Los Angeles. I grew up in the Midwest. Go Packers, and fight on, my USC alumni. Make sure to hit subscribe below to the channel so you see all the new videos each week and get the resources you need to reset your life.